Today I bought a bird paradise plant from eBay and can see how it's fully grown while I'm taking it out. Now I'm gonna put it. Hi guys, the bird.
You got a little simple task. All you gotta say, hi guys, and you can't be kids. Hi guys, another bird of paradise flower is open today.
Yeah, that's it. Then we're done. Hi guys, another bird of paradise. Okay. Okay. Stop. Calm down. Okay.
What's funny?
Nothing.
What's wrong with it?
I got it.
You got giggles. You got giggles as well. You got giggles as well. Well, that's it now. You're supposed to do the rest. Alright, let's do it again.
Hi.
You just do your part.
It's the new bird of paradise flower, so then it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals.
Now point at them properly.
1,
No, start again from.
Hi guys. So today
It's going to be another bird of paradise flower. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Where? Well done, Anika. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
it's the 6th of July and the bird of paradise might be growing the biggest ever flower and it's incredible because it's only 2 years old. Go eat that. It's the 4th of January and our first bird of paradise flower has finally opened today after 3.5 years. The secret to blooming a bird of paradise flower is to keep it pot bound.